Alright guys, hello. My name is Corey.Buystedt. I'm going to walk you around this Heritage Glen. This is a 378 FLW. I guess we'll go through a quick walk around outside first. If you look right here, you got a very large, surprisingly deep pass-through storage. You come on the side, you see here's your door and your solid steps. Your second door has another pair of solid steps. Sometimes they put the other ones. It does have two doors. It has an amazingly large window on the outside. So this is the kitchen. You get a full-sized island. You have a little space over here next to your stove. It does have this glass thing so you can protect it. Kids don't burn their hand. These light up. It's pretty cool. You have this really awesomely large refrigerator. Surprisingly deep also. If you come up here, we have the living room. It does not have carpet, which is, some people like that because you just broom. You get a sofa here, a sofa there, recliners here. Here you got a TV made by Jensen. Got electric heater, fireplace. Over here we got your dinette. We got 4 chairs for it. If you come back here, you have a bathroom. Here, I'll let you. So you got a walk-in shower, which is nice. Sliding glass doors. You're gonna experience it's kind of like a house. It's not those weird corner ones. And if you go up here, we got another room for the kids, bunkhouse. So we can crawl right here. The kids can chill out in here. It's pretty cool. A lot of room. So full walk around bed. You got your dresser. So many drawers. I really like this cubby hole right here. It goes surprisingly deep as well. I've always really liked the color palette that Heritage Glen goes for. And yeah, that's it. If you had any questions, if I said anything that confused you, you can just call me at 541-735-1535. And my name is Corey.Buystedt.